Hey guys, and I'm back with another video. I'm sorry I've been like off the grid, but I'm back and I wanted to break down my channel before I get into this video. I'm going to do a makeup tutorial. So basically what my channel is, basically my video is about drugstore makeup. So all my makeup will be drugstore, and you will see how I make my face with drugstore makeup. So I'm gonna get into this video. Sorry, my mom. So I'm gonna take this darkest brown. I got this collection from Family Dollar. It's a pretty good collection. It comes with different little things you can pop into this case, travel case, and I forget which one I'm using Refreshed, and it's got LA colors, and I love it. So I'm gonna go into I'm gonna go, I don't know the word, but I'm going to do it. I want to get out of this and I use the blue. But anyway, I think I'm gonna make this a simple type look. So I'm gonna take this brush and a different brush. So I'm gonna just go right here and right here, and I'm going to put a silver color over the top of this cream color. So over this cream color that I put on right there, I'm going to go in there with this silver color, and I'm going to go over top of it with it. Okay, so just like that. And what I like to put over top of my eyelid is this one color that I'm going to show you. So, it is from LA Color, and it's just eyeshadow, and I like to go in with this color, and I like to put that on the top of my eyelid. So, like that. So I'm gonna take this blending brush that I got from Elf, and I'm gonna blend the little dusties away. It happens to the best of us. And then go in and blend my colors to make it not seem that harsh. Okay, that's good enough. And then we're gonna go in. I'm not gonna do no eyeliner. I've been stopping doing eyeliner. But I'm gonna curl these lashes, and then we're going to put mascara on top. not tell you what kind of mascara I got because I do not know what the brand is. I forgot. I forgot where I got it from. Oh, I think I got it as a gift. Yeah. I just forgot. I've been telling that abilities, but I got this from the dollar store too. Oh, it's pretty good for me. That one's pretty good. This one's not. Now I use a different little brush. This is from Maybelline, and I forget what kind it was, but you can probably tell by the color and the thing that it's by the spoolie what kind it is. And this mascara has no name on it, and I think it's Elf, but I'm not sure. But I don't know what name it is. But yeah, I'm gonna cut it with my top and bottom lashes. Another place that is good for buying dollar makeup is eBay, because I got a few things from eBay, especially to make the lipstick I'm about to use. Sorry about my eyeball. I look crazy when I put mascara on. Like, who doesn't? Oh my god, she's so cute. Okay. I think I'm going a little more. Okay. That was good. So, the only lip liner I always use, been in my first video. Let me stop talking again. Anyway, this a wine song. I can't remember right now, so just have to go with it. Violet. This is how I get my face beat right. Ooh, she got them Kylie Jenner lips. So I got these lipsticks, 3 in a pack from eBay. I forget how much it was, but it was not cheap, let me tell you. Pattern. Now, the only dollar thing that I am using, the only thing that's not a dollar that I'm using. So, it's in the color, it just says 505, so yeah. It's from Kiki Lux Colors. And it's in this pretty nude color, I want to say, or wine color. So yeah, here's the finished look. And I know it took forever, but it's like and subscribe to my channel, And sorry for the camera shaking, but like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And comment if you want to comment anything that you suggest for me making. And I would greatly appreciate it. Go like, and subscribe. Okay. Bye-bye.